y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today we are showing you guys all my slimes I made recently. So I used to make these videos a lot, but I haven't made one in a really long time. So I'm really excited because I used to love to make these videos. Yeah, let's get started. So the most recent slime I've made, I made this one yesterday, is this clear slime. It's like really thick, but like it's Gorgina, like you guys can't see the true beauty, and when it's clear, this will be probably the prettiest slime in the world. I'm kidding, but I'm just so excited for this to clear, and it's like really thick. So yeah, the second last slime I've made is like this one. It's another clear one. This one's definitely a more I didn't add any color to this and it turned like this weird blue. That happens a lot. I made this slime purple, it turned blue. It only happens with clear glue. It's really strange. So I feel like if I mix all those slimes together, it'd turn blue. It's like really nice. It's a little sticky, so I think I need to add some more activator to it, but it's really nice. Next slime is this one. This one's also sticky because I left it out for a week. Is this purple slime. You guys, it's awesome. It makes so many bubbles. I left it for about a week. It made like so many bubbles. I wish I caught it on camera, but I didn't. Such a pretty purple, right? I love this slime, like absolutely love it. Like, I have no idea. It's like really soft. It's like a deflated fluffy slime. It's not good anymore because it's like not good anymore. Next, I have a water slime because I've been making water slimes lately, but it's really hard to play with on camera because it gets on your hands. So I'm not going to be playing with that slime. I have another water slime, but I'm not going to play with on camera, as I said. Oh no. I had it so perfect. And then I have this slime, which isn't that great, but because I kind of overactivated it, so I'm just letting it sit. I've had it for a couple weeks now, and it just hasn't gotten good. It's gotten better. It like was a rock last time I played with it, and now it's better. But like, look at how pretty it is. The color is like weird, but like the sparkle though, it's gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. Next, and will probably be last for the video, is this slime. This is like a Rapunzel slime that I'm obsessed with. It's like amazing. Okay, so I made an Elmer's clear slime, and it like got like really bad, and I have tried it purple, and it turned this blue color. Like, explain to me why that happened. I kind of want to put it in sunlight and see if it would like turn back to purple. But I feel like that might just melt it. I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace. Bye. Love you.